In this video, we'll showcase how you can easily change the aspect ratio of the video. It's been few days now the layout of Clipchamp application is changed. Few tools are also repositioned. So please comment below if you want us to make videos on any specific topic or tool.
Before we go ahead, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any video we publish in future. You can appreciate our work by hitting the like button. It definitely motivates us a lot.
Open the Clipchamp application on your desktop or log into clipchamp.com. Click on A, Create New Video button. Once you are in the editor, you'll notice when you create a new video in Clipchamp, the default aspect ratio is set to 16:9. The first thing you'll need to do is import the video you want to resize by heading over to the Import Media button. Select the asset and click Open. It will load into your media library over here. In this video, for demo purpose, we are using the video from Content Library given by Clipchamp. In Content Library, you'll find stock videos, images, shapes, annotation, and many other items. For now, let's select a random video. We'll apply a filter here to see only videos. Let's select this one. You can click on this plus icon at the bottom right side, and it'll be added to your video timeline automatically. Otherwise, you can add your video into the timeline simply by dragging and dropping. If your video on timeline is selected, you won't see any button or option to change the aspect ratio. If you see blue border around your video element on timeline, that means it is selected. To deselect it, simply click anywhere in this blank space next to preview screen. Now, just above the preview screen, you should see a floating toolbar with a button to change the size of the video. To change the aspect ratio and resize the video, click on this size button. And now, all the aspect ratio options will appear. Hover your cursor over each option one by one to see a preview of the dimensions. 16:9 is recommended for long YouTube videos and presentations. 9:16 will be your typical TikTok, Instagram story, and YouTube shorts. 1:1 is suitable for Instagram posts. 4:5 for other social posts. 2:3 is for Pinterest and Facebook posts, and 21:9 is for films and blog banners. To select the dimension you want to use, click on it. For our demo, we will select a 1:1 option. And now you can see here, the aspect ratio of the video has been changed. You may have to reposition your video to bring the characters in video into the selected 1:1 frame. Your original video may not match the aspect ratio. It may look very small and may not span the empty area of the canvas. In such cases, click on the media in your timeline and then click on the fill button from this floating toolbar. Your video will then automatically stretch and crop into the screen. Now suppose we want to keep only these two characters in video or want to show only left portion, where only these two characters are seen. For that, we'll use freehand tool. Adjust and move the video till you are satisfied with the placement. You can also resize and zoom in if you need by dragging the corners of the video to left or right like this. Remember, you can continue to change the aspect ratio number of times to any size you want. Once you are completely happy with your video, you can export it by heading to the Export button. Select the video quality you need. Once the export is complete, the video will be saved on your computer automatically. And that's how you resize any video with Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.